How to list digital item on Facebook Marketplace. Open the Facebook. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Tap on the marketplace icon that you can see at bottom. You can access the marketplace. Tap on the sell icon that you can see at top. Tap on the option items. You'll have to list the digital item like you usually list other items. There is no specific option for digital. So what you can do is simply tap on the option add photos. Now choose the photo that best describes your digital item. Once you do that, tap on the next option. Now the photo will be chosen. You can choose up to 10 photos. Enter the title over here. Tap on the field of title. Give your item the title. Tap on the field of price. Enter the price over here. Tap on the field of category. Now you can select the category that best suits the digital item. There is no specific option for digital. You can see the options like books, movies, music, video games, electronics, etc. Tap on the option that suits the best for you. Now enter the description over here. It is completely optional. You can also see other settings over here. You can change it if you want. Once you do that, tap on the publish option that you can see at top. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your listing is being published. Now your digital item will be listed. Like this, you can list digital items on Facebook Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.